How to make a FaceTime audio call on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, what you need to do is simply move into your application messages. Once you're in this page, you can see tons of different inbox. Simply search for the inbox of the person that you want to allow or do the FaceTime audio. Once you're inside the inbox of this person, at the top right corner, tap and hold this icon. Different options will pop up on your screen. You simply have to click on FaceTime Audio. The device will start to make a call in FaceTime Audio. There you go, the call is going on. Now this person has to simply pick it up and accept the call. That way you will be able to talk with them easily. So this is simply how you can allow FaceTime audio call on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.